7 Best String Trimmer Heads, Reviews and Buying Guide. Your garden and lawn need a lot of care, which invite countless tools for the maintenance. With the right tool in your hand, no experience could be better than gardening. A string trimmer is one of those very important tools that your garden direly requires. And a trimmer is of no use without an actively working trimmer head. Today, we are going to discuss best string trimmer head models that will help you with all sort of gardening tasks with utmost ease. 1 Husqvarna 966674401 T25 String Trimmer Head. The brand Husqvarna is recognized as one of the leading brands in the market to manufacture high-quality garden tools. This little head is a great product for the new users as well as for the professionals. This reel is very convenient to reload. Because of the cap on the bump head, you don't have to turn the head upside down to make replacement. This model can hold 0.065 inch, 0.080 inch, or 0.095 inch gauge trimmer line conveniently. Also, this trimmer head is very easy to use. Pros: easy to wind, made of good quality, compatible with various brand trimmers, makes the task really simple. Top-rated string trimmer head. Cons: not as sturdy as other models. 2 Tanaka 32308 No-brainer quick load string trimmer head. This brand is relatively new in the market, but their products are praiseworthy. The profile of this model is really small with quick load string that you can wind effortlessly on the trimmer head. This model is no-brainer as you can insert the line with the push of a button. There is nothing very unique about the winding of the string in this trimmer head. This one can hold 0.080 inch to 0.115 inch gauge trimmer line conveniently. Also, this trimmer head is very easy to use, but at the same time, it is not suitable for the commercial users because of its smaller size and single line head. Pros: powerful, work amazingly, durable. Cons: expensive. 3 Gator 4680 Heavy-duty string trimmer head. If you are looking for the most cost-effective trimmer head in the market, then we present you this model from Gator. This one is heavier than the others in the range because it is made of steel. About the size, this head is available in medium size that can be good for medium-sized lawns. One thing that you must know is that the trimmer head is best suited for gas-powered trimmers and is compatible with different brand trimmers in the market. This model is also the first commercial trimmer head in our list that is preferred by the contractors because it makes cutting grass and weed very easy. The trimmer head is suitable for engines that are 25 cubic centimeters or more in power. Pros: suitable for commercial use, great quality, amazing construction, durable. Cons: heavy. 4 Husqvarna 537388101 Universal T35 String Trimmer Head. This brand has great goodwill in the market for the quality manufacturing of the products. The profile of this model is really small and it is very easy to use. Technically, this is one of the best trimmer heads in the market. The winding mechanism of this trimmer does not require a lot of prior knowledge about it. There is nothing very unique about the winding of the string in this trimmer head. This model can hold 0.080 inch to 0.095 inch gauge trimmer line conveniently. Also, this trimmer head has simple mechanism of usage. The trimmer head is compatible with 95% of the brands selling their trimmers in the market, irrespective of the power type. Pros: easy to use, compatible with all the trimmer brands, durable, compact design. Cons: this is not a universal trimmer head. 5 Echo 78890-21001 Spring Trimmer Head. This model from Echo is a great commercial trimmer head which makes a perfect addition to your garden tools. This head is of medium size, that is why it is compatible for commercial use. Also, the assembling of the head string is very convenient, which takes less than 30 seconds or less. The winding of the string is very simple in this trimmer head and it does not require any disassembly. Furthermore, this is a heavy-duty product that is compatible with gas-powered models with minimum power of 25 cubic centimeters. The maximum line size compatible with it is 0.130 inch. That is why, this one is an amazing product for professional use. Pros: ideal for commercial use. Great performance. Amazing durability. Cons: expensive. 6 Weed Warrior EZLock String Trimmer Head. This highly efficient model from Weed Warrior, which is suitable for small to medium-sized yards. You can consider this one as a semi-commercial model because of its efficiency. It cuts with 4 lines, which is very easy to wind. Plus, the quick and easy line loads prevent the tangling of string on the spool. This is due to the sectioning of the inner part of the head that the string does not tangle and hinder the working. Although this is a manual feed head, but the winding is pretty simple. The EZLock replacement trimmer head allows for less stops to change line. This model is compatible with 99% of all gas curved and straight shaft trimmers. You will find this model extremely powerful since it can work with the gas-powered trimmers. Pros: quick and easy line loads. Very durable. Ideal for gas-powered trimmers. Cons: the overall quality could have been better. 7 Handy Camel Universal String Trimmer Head. Last model in our list is from Handy Camel, which is an amazing brand that manufactures high-quality string trimmer heads. This one comes with various tools, but the assembling is very easy. In order to make no mistakes, you can read the manual that comes along with the product. The reload can be done in seconds, and it is no rocket science to make the adjustments in the trimmer head. Also, this one is compatible with all the leading trimmers available in the market. This model is the simplest yet one of the powerful universal string trimmer head that you will simply love to have around in your garden toolkit. Pros: paramount quality. Universal trimmer head. Durable. Economical. Cons: does not fit all the brand trimmers.